Kita po natin dito, ina-award na po ang ating second placers from San Sebastian. They also get individual awards. But of course, Rhea de Maculangan, what a deserving winner of Finals MVP.
Yes, totally underrated.
Yes.
It showed us what kind of athlete she is,
That's
especially
true.
in the pressure, in the clutch. And she was the unsung hero likewise in the company of really talented players. Let's take a look at this
San
very
Sebastian.
sporting gesture by
Yes.
San Sebastian. Of course, sad faces, some smiles there. Pero they did what they had to do. They just came up short.
That's right, that's
Came
right.
up short.
And they have nothing to be ashamed of with the performance that they did this season. And again, as you mentioned earlier, they will definitely be back.
They will be back.
Yan po ang ating mga runner-ups. And of course, Coach Roger Corayag will also develop new players to take the place of some of his graduating players. Of course, mawawala na po sa kanilang regular lineup. Ito pong si Charita Cheta, Tasa de Banadera, and Luan Latigay. They will be moving on. But again, parang hindi na natin napansin na wala rin si Jeannie Montihar, who was the heart and soul of their team for so many years. She has also